Dr. Tim Neavin. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon, primarily in Beverly Hills, but I come out to Dubai at ABS-AMC every couple of months to perform plastic surgery. And I wanted to discuss with you a procedure that I developed called ReFace. Now, ReFace refers to a combination of many small, what I like to call tricks, using your own tissues, including fat, to reposition and redistribute some of the cheeks and parts of the face that may have started to sag with aging. ReFace helps refine some of your natural beauty, and is basically performed with both macro fat and micronized versions of fat. And the micronized version of fat, or nano fat as we call it, has regenerative properties, which improves your skin's tone, texture, and color. We can also combine stitches, including threads, to either narrow the nose, tilt the nose, or even lift some of the cheeks or jowls. And lastly, we can actually eliminate. So when we talk about ReFace, we talk about balancing both with the addition and subtraction of volume. So in some cases we may add volume to the cheeks and temples. In other cases we may subtract volume by performing buccal lipectomies, as it's called, where we remove some of the chipmunk cheeks. And a combination of all of these different modalities, while they're minimally invasive, they create significant changes and have very little downtime. So that's really ReFace, and if you want to learn more about ReFace procedure, please contact the number below. Thank you.